right, here go another video. You see I got the Scat right here. It's dirty. Yesterday I got this in the mail, this Liquid X blaster, and I just want to go over a couple things before you see it in the video and whatnot. So this is not a foam gun, you know, per se, you know, the gun that you spray on your car and it just coats it with this super thick foamy soap. That's not what this does. It's more shoots out soapy water. And Liquid X, they just put their sticker on here, but a lot of brands actually use this exact gun, you know, for their products, and then you just put your own, they put their own brand on the front right here with the sticker. So I'm just gonna hook this up to a regular water hose. I'm not for sure if it works with a high pressure wash. No, I'm not interested in getting a high pressure wash before somebody say, well, you should go get one of those. No, I'm okay, because the car's not super crazy dirty. So, I mean, the little wash I'm doing here is going to be good enough. So, like I said, this basically hooks up to a regular hose. I'm going to show y'all just a little process when I, you know, set it up. I'm not going to show y'all me washing the car, because if you want to, I got a video of washing my car at the car wash with the high pressure wash, and I also got one washing it at my house as well right here. But I'm going to show y'all, you know, a little display of this. You got a lot of shit going on, trying to, like, you know, do some type of you know, vlogging on top of my videos, you know, to show y'all the process of the shit that I'm doing. So, like I said, I'm just gonna fill this up with some of the car shampoo I got right here, and you just need to fill this up to this line right here, and then fill the rest with water. So, let me go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so y'all see it, I got it filled up, mixed the water and the soap, shook it up a little bit, got it connected to the hose. So let me see how this go. I gotta turn the water back on, because let's turn this shit off. Let me see. Alright, I don't know, I got these settings on here, but I don't know, shit, it's set on A already, so I'm just gonna see. It's like 4 different settings, but see, it's basically just soapy water going on the car. So let me try to change the settings real quick. That's 0. Okay, that one got more soap coming out right there. So I'm not about to record me doing a whole car like this, but you see, basically. And when you put all this on the car, you just want to let that sit before you actually start washing it off. So alright, y'all see, man, I just put this E85 in his 392 Scat. Hey, what year is this? 2019 Scat. He got a couple of mods. He got some tire lettering and whatnot. So you got the E85 kit, bam. Got K&N intake. Don't you got like full straight pipe, right? Yeah. And then it's Catless, right? Yeah, Catless. You already know we got the FA new joint. Mods on the way, boy, still bone stock. E85 kit on the way. So I just put this in here. He got half a tank of what, regular gas, right? Yeah. So he about to put in, I mean, whatever he to put in here. The E85, you see, bam. 259. See, his car club, his Instagram, you want to follow his build or whatnot. Good, bro. I see it, boy. 392 E85 Scat, boy. Catless.
points and we did this, nigga. Reached every goal I set, I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga.